Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for a job at TJ Maxx. Ladies and gentlemen, what we want to do is dial in TJ Maxx. You'll find their official website and jump straight into their website. It's as simple as that. What you're going to be doing now is traveling all the way down to the bottom of this page. You can see you will find underneath there our company, you will find careers. Let's go and click on careers. You will now land in the careers page. Here you can see that they have 3 career paths. They're corporate, retail, and distribution. Now this whole page is dedicated to just understanding, learning, and knowing more about their career paths. Once you have decided whether you want to go with the corporate, retail, or distribution, you can actually go ahead and click on explore just beneath that heading. Now the next page that you will find yourself in will allow you to search for jobs within that career path. So as you go down here, you will see a bunch more information, and what we want to do is back at the top we want to click on see all jobs in retail. Now of course you can explore all of the career paths and see what actually works for you. Here you can see a couple. These are just some targeted jobs. But if you go a little bit further down, click on view all jobs. Here you can search for jobs. So you can enter a keyword, a location. There are also some categories over here: country, state, city, job type, brand, remote, location, distance, some keywords. And once you've actually nailed down all of your filters and you found a job that you would like to apply for, let's say it's this team leader job, you can read more about this job if you click on it. So all of the information is over here. And then it says here, we are going to go and look for the apply now button, which is right at the top. Click on that apply now button. And right over here, you will find a few ways to actually apply to this job. Now, it depends on your specific circumstances. So you can autofill with a resume. You can also apply manually, which means you'll enter all of your information manually. You can also use your previous application if you have applied. And then you can also apply with Seek. And then you can simply apply with LinkedIn. Now, my suggestion is if you haven't yet gotten a LinkedIn account, go ahead, jump into LinkedIn, create an account, and create your profile on LinkedIn. From LinkedIn, you can use LinkedIn, your LinkedIn profile for literally every other job search site, as well as these career portals on specific companies. Their websites, you can go directly and link your LinkedIn profile with all of them. So my advice is to use LinkedIn. Once you click on that, it'll automatically apply with your LinkedIn profile as your resume. And then of course you'll have to wait, through the period to see if you will be contacted for an interview. And then you may just have landed a job at TJ Maxx.